So far at the museum, it's been an amazing experience. One of the highlights for me was when we were taught how to see art in a different way, to appreciate art, to understand the symbolism, the religious connection, the emotional connection, and the fact that art is always relevant no matter what is happening around us. It's also a very major tool when it comes to revealing societal ills and also, correcting them as well. So looking around the museum, it's been mind blowing. Looking at all of the sustainability work, some of the art pieces pushing sustainability ideas, and some of them just cause you to emote so much. They bring out a lot of emotions by the time you look at them. Such beauty, such talent among all of the artists, and I can't wait to be back here again. I mean, you can't take it all in one day.